What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Trust Wallet to DEX Screener. So, if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, how to exactly connect your Trust Wallet here to DEX Screener? Well, this one is fairly easy. So, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to dexscreener.com, and you want to go ahead and go to the bottom left here. Now, the bottom left, you have the sign in option. Go ahead and click on it. Now from here, you have three ways to connect your account or access your account. You have Google, Apple, and connect your wallet. Now since we want to connect our Trust Wallet, let's go and click on the connect wallet option. And from here, it's going to say verify your account. So to finish signing or finish connecting here, you must sign a message in your wallet to verify that you are the owner of that account. Let's go and click on sign message. And in this case, if you do get an error here, what I would recommend you trying doing here is to just basically reload your DEX Screener here, just to make sure it's not a problem. But once you've reloaded it, you want to go ahead and go to the bottom left, click on sign in, click on connect wallet, and from here on, you want to go ahead and choose the appropriate wallet. Now, I'm assuming here you already have your Trust Wallet installed as your extension here, but let's go and click on Trust Wallet. And from here, you want to go ahead and input your password. Let's go ahead and enter our password here. Now, it's going to ask you if you want to connect your Trust Wallet to DEX Screener. So just click on connect. And from here, it's going to ask you to verify your account. Let's go ahead and click on sign message. And it should pop up Trust Wallet here, and just go ahead and click on confirm. Now, once you've done that, it should start the verification process. It might take a while, but as you can see, we've just successfully signed in. Now, if you're having problems with connecting your account, what I would suggest you trying doing here is to make sure that you go to your extensions, click on manage extensions, and basically disable any other wallets that you currently have right now. Like for example, if you have MetaMask or Phantom Wallet, make sure to disable them for a bit and use Trust Wallet only as the only available wallet in your browser. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.